Hello, my friends, welcome to another easy English story. Today's story is called Me, First Time in College. In this story, I will talk about my first day and first week at college. I will share how I felt, what I saw, and what I learned. This story uses simple English, so it's great for beginners. You can listen, read, and learn new words about school and college life. Are you ready to begin? Let's listen to the story together. My name is Biren. I live in a small village with my family. After I finished school, I got accepted into a college in the city. It was a big moment for me. I was happy, but also a little scared. I had never lived away from home before. The day before college started, I packed my bag. I put in clothes, books, a notebook, pens, and my phone charger. My parents gave me advice and wished me good luck. I felt nervous, but I was also excited. The next morning, I woke up early. I took a shower, got dressed, and had tea with my family. Then we left for the city. The journey was long, but the weather was nice. I looked out the window and thought about college life. When I reached the college, I saw many students. Some were standing with their parents. Others were walking alone. Everyone looked busy. I carried my bag and followed the signs to the hostel. I met the warden and got my room key. My room was small but clean. There was a bed, a table, a chair, and a cupboard. I placed my bag on the bed and looked around. This was my new home. Later, I went outside to explore. I walked around the campus. It was big, with green trees, classrooms, a canteen, and a library. Everything was new to me. In the evening, there was an orientation program for first-year students. A teacher welcomed us and told us about college rules, classes, and activities. I listened carefully. I wanted to do well. That night, I met my roommate. His name was Raj. He was from another town. We talked about our homes, hobbies, and why we chose this college. He seemed friendly. I felt a little better. At bedtime, I lay on my bed and thought about the day. I missed my family, but I was proud of myself. I had taken my first step into college life. In the next few days, I made new friends. I found my classrooms and met my teachers. I ate in the canteen and joined the library. Slowly, I started to feel comfortable. College was not easy at first, but it was a new beginning. I learned to manage time, talk to new people, and live on my own. Now, I enjoy my college life. Every day I learned something new. My first time in college was scary, but it helped me grow. Thank you for listening to my story, Me First Time in College. I hope you enjoyed it and learned some new English words and sentences. Starting college can be scary, but it's also a great way to grow and learn. If you are learning English, keep practicing a little every day. Stories like this can help you understand and speak English better. If you liked this video, please click like, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy English stories. Leave a comment and tell me, what was your first day of school or college like? I'd love to hear. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next story. Bye for now.